Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. I have a once again way overdue mail call. This is from Kevin Rose or Kevin Rose, however you choose to say it. I think he prefers Kevin, but I am absolutely not positive, but I think that's how it goes. I think this is a little mold that he has sent me to cast for him in silver. But I'm not positive. We talked about it through email, so, and you know me guys, I gotta try and get these open so I can reuse them. Waste not, want not, and I did it. Now I'm stuck to it, but I'm pretty sure that that's what this is. Yeah, these are that's that little, oh, what did he call them? I'm sure it'll be in his note. Let me read the note right quick. Ooh, and I got one of his new cool hologram stickers. Alright. I'll have to find a place to put that. And his card, which we will put here. Set this over here, and we'll see the note plus his Montana sticker, which I have one of these already, so I'll put these with my extras. And let's see. Says Dino, hey bro, thanks for doing this request for me. What I would like, please, 2 copies of this in silver and copper if possible. Let me know what it'll cost to do. I stuck in a couple stickers for you too. Hope you like them. Thanks again, Kevin. Oh, and if you choose to do a vid or not, it's up to you. Stay awesome, bro. Yeah, we'll probably do a video. These are those little, I don't remember if they're Chinese or they're Japanese. I just don't remember right now, but like I said, we talked about it in an email. And this one is a silver one. And this actually feels hollow. It's very light. It is 999 fine silver. But this is what he wants. They were used for money, I believe, at one time. They're little boats. It's like a little boat, I think they called them. I know I'll be able to do this in sand, but I don't know how well. There's a lot of really fine detail on this, so I'm not positive how well that's going to take. So, anyhow, I will get up with you. I actually have several things going on right now, so I will get up with you when I'm able to do this. It's probably going to be even another week or two. I'm actually got to repair some siding on the house, and I mean, it just seems like my do list keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. But anyway, I will get with you when I'm going to get started on this, and we'll discuss exactly how you want it done. I don't think I'm going to be able to pick up, I mean, I'll get some of that detail, but unless we were to do a rubber mold, and I don't have that equipment anymore, and do a lost wax casting, I don't think we'll be able to pick up that detail in the sand. But anyway, like I said, I'll get back with you. Everybody, stay safe out there, and we will see you in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.